how to check Google search history. So if you want to go and find all of your browsing history on Google, then I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do this. Now, the first method is just by opening up an internet browser and heading over to google.com. Now, the first thing you can do is just click on the search box, and typically you're going to see all of your recent search history. Now, this is one place you can come to find all of your browsing history. Another place you can look is if you're signed into your Google account in the top right-hand side, you can click on your profile icon, and then you can go and select search history. Now, as long as you have saving to web and app activity turned on, then you should be able to see all of your search history down in this column here. So you can filter this by the date as well by clicking the calendar icon, and you can go and select the specific dates that you want to view the history for. Now, the final way to go and view your browsing history is just in the internet browser itself. If you click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, you can then go and select history, and here's another place you can come to find all of your browsing history. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.